Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
Returning your e-bike. Same as Emmo or anywhere else, when you can absolutely return your e-bike, whether it's mobility scooter or a bicycle. It is supposed to be unused. So if you put, 50, 60 kilometers on it, a Ride the Wind will still do a return. However, we need to compensate for reselling that bike because it's now a used bike. And if you can imagine, you bought a bike for $3,000, you certainly wouldn't want to buy a bike that somebody else has used for the same amount. So we have to lower the price in order to sell it as if it was appropriate to market value. Otherwise, it is a 25% restocking fee. And we're always a little lenient. We had a mobility scooter return. It had it had a mark on it, so Darren needs to do paint work, so he's going to take 2 or 3 hours to do that. We have to compensate for that, but we try to be as fair as we possibly can because we still want you to be happy regardless of whether you returned your bike or not. But quite frankly, we've only had 2 bikes returned this year, and they were both older people. So but the fact is that we do it and we work with you. If we have to go pick up the bike, then that has to be just accounted for as well, but you will never hear a no from us, and I think that's the most important thing. And just assessing each, and we've given more than we've done 15% return or a 10%, just given the condition of the bike. So it's still our aim at the end of the day to have you a happy customer regardless of whatever the situation is. So yeah, that's the down low on that one.